How do you connect your nodes in n8n to your Google services for things like access to Google Drive, to be able to send and receive messages, Google Sheets? If we type in here, we have a look at Google, we see there's a lot of different things that we can connect n8n to automate tasks with Google. We need to get that connection first. Whatever Google node that you're working with, you'll see this red cross here. This isn't connected. When we double click, you need to create your own credential. I've got one set up here, but when you're setting up your first one, you want to click on this box, create new credential. And you notice here we've got a URL, we've got a client ID and a secret ID. We need to set those up first on Google side, so then we can put those in, and then we're going to put this URL into Google and connect this up. There's a few steps involved in this, but if you all follow along step by step, we could probably get this done in about 5 minutes. Really simple task. Take a little bit longer now as I'm explaining it as we go. But if you want to take advantage of having Google services in n8n with your automations, then this is how we do it. We need to sign up for a Google Cloud account, and we need to create a project. So you can sign up for your Google Cloud account with this. If you've got a Google email address, you can sign up, and then you want to create your first project, and then new project, and then we can give this project a name. It's going to be n8n. So we give that name, click create, and it's going to take a minute. Select project. Once that's active, we can click in the menu bar on the left, APIs and services, and then we want to find this section here, OAuth consent screen. We need to give the app a name. We're going to call this n8n demo, and this is setting up so the app's got access, and then we put an email in, we click next. We need to put our email address in, and then click create. Agree to the services, create. Now we need to click create OAuth client, and then in application type, it's a web application, we name it. Now we need to add in our redirect URL. So this URL is the URL that we get from n8n. We take a look back on our screen here. We've got this URL. We need to copy this and paste that in here. Now we can click create. Now this is going to come up with our client ID. So we can copy that. And now we need to go back into n8n. Client ID. Click OK. Now when we click in and open it, we also can get our client secret from here. Click copy. Back to n8n. Client secret, and now it's prompted us sign in with Google. And before we can sign in with Google, we need to head back over into Google Cloud, select audience. Once we've entered those details, we should have a sign in with Google box appear. Before we can do that, we need to add a test user. So we head back over to here, we see audience, add a user. So we'll put the email address in there we want to have access. Now back in n8n, we need to click on the sign in with Google. We select the Google account, and then once we've selected which Google account, it's going to come up with Google hasn't verified this app. So this is our app, we know that's fine, so I'm happy to continue. Grant the permissions you wish to permit n8n to have access to. Click continue. And now we should have this. Connection successful, green check, and then this green box appear in here. And now we've set up and created that connection with Google.